So now we are going to talk about matrix. So in programming, a matrix is a multi-dimensional list or array. And I know it sounds like I'm talking about the movie Matrix, but it's not. It's still kind of cool though. So let me show you how to make a matrix in Python. So a matrix will look something like this, which is essentially a list within a list. So as you can see here, we have lists inside another list. I know this is very mind blowing. You're probably thinking, "Holy shit, this is some next dimensional stuff." But here, I'll just break it down for you so that everything looks a lot clearer. So essentially, this is what it looks like when I do break it down. As you can see, we have three different lists, and on another dimension, we have one list, which contains these three lists. And that is basically what a multi-dimensional list would look like. So now, what if we wanted to access a specific element inside this multi-dimensional list? How would we do that? And I'll show you exactly how we'll do that. So here, what we did here is we're basically looking in our list. We're going to the second index in our original list. So in that case, this is index 1, this line right here. No, sorry, this line right here is index 0. And then this line right here is index 1. And then this line here is whatever is in index 2 of our list. Okay. And now within index 2, we're going to the 0 index in that. So this would have been index 0, index 1, and index 2. So here we have index 0. We're looking for 0 here. So first we go to the second index in the overall list, and then we go to the 0 index in the second index list. And we should expect the number that we print out to be 7. So if I run this code, as you can see, the result is 7. So now, what if you wanted to access this specific number here, which is the number 5? I'll just give you a minute to think this through of what exact numbers you would replace this with, or 2 and 0 with, to get index or to get this value here, which is 5. And if you said 1 1, you are correct. So in that case, I'm going to replace this with 1 1. And once again, this is index 0, this is index 1, and then within index 1, we're looking for 0 1. So here's 1 within index 1. So 1 1. If I run this code, as you can see, I get 5. So matrices or multi-dimensional arrays or multi-dimensional lists is something that you'll see quite often in graphics processing or image processing softwares. And let's say something as simple as zeros and ones, okay? So I'm going to replace, so just to give you an example, here I have a bunch of zeros and ones. And In a computer or an image processor, we only see zeros and ones. From the computer's perspective, everything is in zeros and ones. So if I wanted to draw just one diagonal line that goes from the top left to the bottom right, it would look something like this, which is 111, and then all the 0 pixels will not be displayed. So in that case, you will see one diagonal line on your screen. So this is one of the applications of matrices. So we've gone over so many different types of methods or um, operations that we can apply to lists. And I don't expect you to remember each and every single one of them, but at least now you have an idea of some of the things that we can do with lists in Python.